Right now, before I skate and do anything else, I'm cleaning the garage. I meant the shed is what I'm doing. I wish I had a garage. But I'm just gonna clean out everything, take everything out, and then I plan on power washing the inside and out of the garage. And part of it is because I just bought a pressure washer and it is so fun to use. So we'll cue the time lapse.
I forgot to turn my mic on here, but I just threw stuff in the shed, and that's why I got such a mess. And just the yearly clean out of cleaning out the shed. But yeah, I messed up in a couple spots and forgot to turn my mic on, so I had to voice over a couple areas. But yeah, let's get back to the cleaning. If you ever have to dig holes or anything, this thing is a lifesaver. It helped us building our fence so much.
There, I think the mic's on. Yeah, I needed that. Oh yeah. Callie's supposed to be helping me. Thanks a lot for your help, Callie. Trying not to get my gloves too dirty since I bought these for work and I can't find my old ones. So yes, if you're wondering, that's why I picked up a box with that. we decided to take a water break. Or I got an energy drink, but Callie got water. And there she goes, back to not helping me clean. So I got everything out of the shed and it's all empty. So now I'm just gonna go through this stuff and put stuff where it goes and get rid of stuff I don't need. And we took a break and went inside and ate a sandwich, and I gave her a treat. Don't tell your brother. But yeah, now we're going through this stuff. Then get to skating in a little bit. I guess she was helping me by gnawing on the hammer. Whatever. But yeah. By the way, we got a pool, and right now it's filling up. This is a video of kind of a couple of days of stuff, but I wasn't rushing getting a video out. I was taking my time filming and editing this one, but we're getting up there. We started it yesterday, so it's taking a little bit of time, but it's getting there. Then when we don't feel like going to the lake or something, we can hang out here and float and swim and whatnot. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's not necessarily what I normally post of skateboarding and different stuff like that, but I just got a pressure washer and I had to clean out the shed. So I've been trying to do vlog type videos along with skateboarding, just kind of what I do. And I love editing and filming, so if I can edit and film something, I'm going to try to do it, just to film and edit and do what I enjoy doing. So kind of, I don't want to just do daily vlogs. I still like sticking to skateboarding and doing those types of things. But yeah, I had fun editing the video of the time lapse and everything. I did mess up and I had to do 2 voiceovers, but it wasn't that big of a deal. I thought I unpaused my mic because I paused it so you wouldn't have to listen to the rustling around and everything. But then I forgot to unpause it when I talked, but I fixed it kind of and all that. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video of something a little different, and let me know if you guys like the editing and whatnot. But dream big, live bigger. Smash the subscribe button for me. We're getting up there to almost 2,000 subscribers, but we're losing a few. I don't know if it's because of the different type of content, if it's not just skateboarding, but I try to do just skateboarding, and I try to go a little bit and do what I like doing, just filming whatever. But I'll always have skate videos. Some days I take a break and I don't skate and I film something different, or some days I just don't land anything, and I don't think you guys want to watch a whole bunch of fails. Like, I do the videos where I fail tricks and then I put the lands, but there's some days where I just don't think it's not up to my expectations in a way of what I think it should be or what I think I want to upload. But besides that, I hope you guys enjoy. Smash the subscribe button, like I said. Dream big, live bigger. I'll catch you guys later.
The same, no, you can compare me. I don't belong in the box. Don't try to play me, no, I'm not friendly. This is everything I got.